In the competitive business environment of Austin, first impressions matter more than ever. Whether you own a retail store, a restaurant, or an office building, the exterior of your business speaks volumes about your brand and sets the tone for customer interactions. One of the most effective and affordable ways to ensure your business stands out and creates a positive first impression is through commercial pressure washing. Pressure washing not only keeps your property looking pristine, but it also plays a critical role in shaping how your customers perceive your business. In this article, we'll explore how commercial pressure washing can have a significant impact on customer impressions and why it's an essential investment for businesses in Austin. Improves curb appeal and attracts more customers. The exterior of your business is the first thing potential customers see. If your storefront, parking lot, or building exterior is dirty, stained, or covered in grime, it sends a negative message, even if your products or services are top-notch. On the other hand, a clean, well-maintained exterior creates an inviting atmosphere and encourages people to step inside. Enhanced appearance. Commercial pressure washing removes dirt, mold, mildew, and stains from surfaces like walls, windows, sidewalks, and parking lots. By regularly cleaning your business exterior, you'll keep it looking fresh and polished, giving your customers the impression that you take pride in your business and value quality. Attracts walk-in traffic. A clean, well-maintained building exterior is more likely to attract walk-in customers. Passers-by are more inclined to stop and explore if the outside of your business looks inviting, tidy, and cared for. Pressure washing your storefront, signs, and windows helps improve visibility and boosts curb appeal, encouraging more people to visit. Builds trust and credibility. A business that takes care of its physical appearance signals professionalism, reliability, and attention to detail. Customers want to do business with companies they can trust, and a clean exterior is an immediate indication of your commitment to quality and service. Professional image. A spotless exterior, free of grime, stains, and debris, makes your business appear professional and organized. This conveys a sense of credibility, showing potential customers that you pay attention to detail in all aspects of your business, not just the products or services you offer. Consistency across all touchpoints. Maintaining a clean exterior through regular pressure washing helps ensure that your brand's image is consistent across all touchpoints. Whether a customer is interacting with your storefront, parking lot, or social media, the level of professionalism is reinforced. Consistency in your branding and maintenance efforts can increase customer loyalty and trust. Improves health and safety. In addition to improving appearance and brand perception, commercial pressure washing plays a crucial role in maintaining a safe and healthy environment for both customers and employees. Prevents slips and falls. Over time, dirt, grease, algae, and other substances can accumulate on sidewalks, parking lots, and other high-traffic areas, making surfaces slippery. Pressure washing helps remove these hazards, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries on your property. This not only improves safety but also shows customers that you prioritize their well-being. Removes harmful substances. Pressure washing eliminates harmful contaminants like mold, mildew, and allergens from the surfaces around your business. By cleaning these areas regularly, you're ensuring a healthier environment for both your staff and customers, which is especially important in industries like food service, healthcare, or retail where hygiene is a top concern. Protects your property and extends its lifespan. A well-maintained property doesn't just look good, it lasts longer. Regular pressure washing removes dirt and buildup that can cause long-term damage to your building and surfaces. Preserves materials. Dirt, moss, mold, and algae can eat away at the materials of your building, leading to damage over time. Pressure washing helps protect surfaces by removing corrosive substances before they can cause significant damage, saving you money on costly repairs or replacements down the line. Enhances longevity. When the exterior of your property is kept clean and well maintained, it helps protect your investment. The regular removal of dirt and grime prevents wear and tear on your property's surfaces, ensuring that your business looks attractive for years to come. Whether you have a brick, stucco, or metal exterior, pressure washing can extend the life of your building's materials and surfaces. Sets you apart from the competition. In a bustling city like Austin, where businesses compete for attention, maintaining a standout appearance is essential. A clean, well-maintained property sets your business apart from others that may overlook the importance of exterior upkeep. Differentiates your business. Many businesses may neglect the exterior appearance of their properties, allowing grime, dirt, and stains to accumulate. Regular pressure washing helps your business stand out as one that takes pride in its appearance and offers a clean, welcoming environment. This small effort can give you a competitive edge, especially in industries where customer experience is key. Reflects your brand. Pressure washing can help reflect your brand's identity and values. Whether your business is modern, eco-conscious, or family-friendly, a clean, well-maintained exterior reinforces your brand message and helps build a strong identity in your community. Cost-effective marketing tool. Pressure washing is a cost-effective way to enhance your business's curb appeal without breaking the bank. Compared to other marketing efforts, such as advertising or rebranding, pressure washing offers a high return on investment by immediately improving the appearance of your business and increasing foot traffic. Maximize visual appeal. With a minimal investment in pressure washing, you can maximize the visual appeal of your property, which can directly impact customer behavior. The more inviting your business looks, the more likely people are to engage with your brand and make a purchase. Conclusion. For businesses in Austin, maintaining a clean, attractive exterior is crucial for making a positive first impression. Commercial pressure washing offers numerous benefits, from improving curb appeal and building customer trust to enhancing safety and protecting your property. By investing in pressure washing, you're investing in the success of your business, creating a welcoming, professional environment that encourages customers to engage with your brand. Regularly cleaning the exterior of your property not only boosts customer impressions but also provides long-term value for your business.